so happy right now. Welcome back to day 4 of our Pantry Power Challenge. If you've missed days 1, 2, and/or 3, I've got them linked below in a playlist, so make sure you go back and watch those. We've been having fun this week. We've only got 2 more days, so 2 more recipes and 2 more methods of cooking. Let me explain. The rules are simple. We just have 3 of them. Number 1, I have to shop my pantry, my fridge, or my freezer for all the ingredients. No going to the grocery store. Number 2, I have to randomly choose a recipe from this jar that my husband has put in here. I don't even know what these recipes are. So he chose these recipes, I have to choose one. And the third rule is we have to spin a wheel to see how we have to cook said recipe. No. So let's do it. Hey y'all, I'm Mandy, and this is Mandy in the Making. Okay, we are about to go outside and do a workout. So that's why I'm in my workout gear. But there's only 2 in here, so I mean, I'm gonna cook both of them at some point, but which one is today? I'm probably gonna do it upside down again. We'll see.
Oh, you got it. General Tso's Meatballs.
Steven, what? Okay. All right, so now you need to pull the recipe up on your phone and text it to me so I can take a look at it, and then we'll go spin the wheel too. First of all, let's look at the picture so y'all can see what it's supposed to look like. It ain't gonna look like this. Number 1, it never looks like the picture, right? But number 2, with the methods we have left to cook it, they ain't gonna look like this. But that's what it looks like here on their website. It says we need a pound of ground beef. I've got that in the freezer, we're good there. Panko breadcrumbs, we don't have green onions, so we'll just have to use regular onion, I guess. But I think the rest of this stuff we have. Oh, we need an egg. We still have an egg. Okay, we'll pull all of this stuff later, but let's go figure out how we are cooking this. The method is supposed to be, I guess, on the stove top. So let's go see what we spin.
Okay, are you ready?
I'm ready. You took oven off.
That's right.
Okay.
So all we have left is you choose Blackstone and grill. So there's still a possibility
That I could
that
get
you could get you choose.
You know, I really need you choose today. Let's just hope and pray for the you choose.
Yeah, it could happen. So let's give it a try.
Spin that wheel.
All right, here we go. You ready?
No. Oh, it's going very slow today. I guess because there's not many options.
Yeah.
Sir. No.
Oh.
No.
Wait.
It's you choose.
Oh, just on the tip. Wow.
I got you choose.
Man.
I needed that today.
You got lucky.
I did get lucky. It's a good day. It's a real good
All right,
day.
so what are you going to choose?
The stovetop.
Okay.
I need an easy day. It's been a couple of days. You ever have those, you know, where it's just like, I need something easy. And look at there. We got it.
Yeah.
Okay, let's go.
All right, let's go.
Stovetop method.
You're lucky.
I'm so happy right now. All right, let's go work out. We'll be back later to find all of the ingredients and cook the easy way today. Give me a thumbs up if you're excited for me. You're probably not. You probably wanted me to get something hard. I understand, but I needed something easy. It's a good day. It is much later in the day. It is 10 till 5. We have day 3's premiere coming up in an hour and 10 minutes. So I'm gonna try and cook this. We're gonna eat, and then I'm gonna sit down and chat with y'all at the premiere. So let's make some general, is it Tso or So?
I think it's Tso, but I could be wrong.
Whatever. Let's make some meatballs. I've got all the ingredients here. I've already thawed our ground beef. So I need to go shop the pantry and see what else I can find. Also, we are gonna just make some rice too, because obviously you make rice very easily on the stovetop. So we're gonna have rice with these meatballs and the sauce. But let's head over to the pantry. Okay, I need some cornstarch, panko breadcrumbs. Okay, cornstarch, panko breadcrumbs. And I need onion, but I think I might have a little bit of onion in the fridge. That might be everything over here. So let's head over to the fridge. Look at me. I do have some onion, so let's take that. I need 1 egg. Good thing I don't need many because, oh my, the grocery store trip after this week, massive. Garlic, ginger, low sodium soy sauce. Ooh, we got hoisin, right? We do have hoisin. Look at us go. Oh, I did need one more thing out of the pantry. I need some honey, but I'm gonna grab apple cider vinegar first. We need some vegetable oil, sesame oil. Oh, we need chicken broth. We got a lot of ingredients. This has a lot of ingredients, but luckily we have them all. I need salt, red pepper flakes, honey, and sesame seeds. And let me go grab that honey. Oh, the jar is sticky. Okay, we got honey. So the recipe called for green onion. I ain't got none. You like that English? I know my mama just cringed, but we do just have regular onion, so better than nothing. Let's start combining all of our meatball ingredients. Ground beef. We need 1 pound. That's going in. Half a cup of panko breadcrumbs. We need our onion, green onion if you have it. We need 1 egg. And make sure that our egg is okay. Let's add that in. We need 2 cloves of garlic. That's about right. And then we need just a very small amount of ginger. Last thing we need is some sesame oil. Let's see, I need 1 teaspoon, probably about right. Sesame oil, you have to kind of be careful with that. It can overpower something real quick, so just a heads up. We're gonna season it with salt. We are gonna be using soy sauce in the mixture, the sauce mixture. So don't need a ton of salt, some red pepper flakes. I don't want too many. And then we just gotta mix it. My favorite part. So let me take my rings off.
There are gloves down there.
Oh, I forgot. I'm ready for surgery. Let's mix it up. Oh, I can smell those Asian flavors already. That sesame oil. Okay, I think that's pretty good. Fun thing about this is we have to roll these in cornstarch. We need about 1/4 cup of cornstarch. I'm just gonna put some cornstarch here on this plate. Sprinkle it around. Good enough. What I'm gonna do is very carefully think about this. So the meatballs need to be about like a heaping tablespoon size. So I'm using this small scoop. So let's do like that. Can I do this one-handed? I think I can. And then we're gonna roll it in the cornstarch.
You want some help?
Yeah, I mean, we can make it doubly fast if you come help me.
All right. So I need to go get me some gloves.
Well, I'm just abandoned the gloves. I've got meat everywhere.
I got it.
It is what it is, you know, because the gloves were getting on my nerves. And then it's kind of funny because the cornstarch is kind of soaking into the meat as they sit here on this plate. I'll show you in just a second. They're coated in cornstarch. Steven is low energy today. He didn't sleep well last night, and then he did a doozy of a workout today, so he's just exhausted.
I got too much. I don't know what I'm talking about. Man, this is gonna be good.
Is it?
Yeah.
Well, especially since we can cook it like it's supposed to be cooked.
That's true. I think we still could have knocked this out of the park on Blackstone or the grill.
But aren't you glad, since you don't have much energy, that we don't have to?
I am kind of glad.
See?
Kind of glad it worked out like that.
It's like I knew ahead of time, you know?
That ball right there is loaded with garlic. Somebody might need to mix it a little better next time.
You're making your meatballs larger than I made mine. But
look, that's mine. That way I can tell which one's mine.
Well, yeah, but they're going to cook different ways.
Mine'll be a little more rare.
So this is going to be our rice pot. So I've got water coming up to a boil there. And then we've got this large skillet heating to about medium-high heat. We're going to add some vegetable oil in for frying. So while our skillet is heating up, we need to add oil. It says like a 1/2 inch of oil. That's a lot.
Well, that's what it says. You better follow our instructions.
That's a lot of oil. That ain't a 1/2 inch. It's
Okay.
It's like a 1/4 inch.
We're living dangerously.
It's a lot of oil. He's very sweet. He said he would put them in there. I put my apron on because I was like, it's going to pop. And he said, I'll put them in there. So
Y'all, she's scared to death of that grease.
I can't stand grease. I can't stand being around it. I would never last in a kitchen like where they make fries and stuff. Nope. It's like we're sitting here just waiting on it to boil. A watch pot never boils.
It doesn't. All right, here we go. We're at 350.
Oh, that's good. Oh, sir.
Well, that was a little
That
aggressive.
was a little aggressive. You need to calm down.
Did not mean to do that.
All right, so basically we're just going to cook these on all sides until it's done. So, I mean,
I think it said like 3 minutes per side or something like that.
yeah, something like that. We'll just kind of turn them as we go. But I'm going to step back and stay back here.
Oof, man, I'm making a mess.
I love that. Really, I do. All right. It'll be just a couple of minutes and we'll turn these over. This is why we very rarely fry. That is some thick smell.
But it smells good though.
I mean, it does smell good, but it's so thick. We have an air purifier in the other room, so it's going to go nuts here in a few minutes. It kind of like senses what's in the air. It'll go nuts.
It
Look
senses
at that.
the senses.
Okay.
Talking about smelling good.
Okay, he is managing these. He's taking out the smaller ones as they get done because they get done quicker. While he does that, I'm going to go ahead and measure out our ingredients for the sauce. So I'm going to go over here and do that. He's going to finish this up, and then we'll meet back over here in just a minute. For the sauce, we need a 1/2 cup of low sodium chicken broth. You know what? I don't know that this is low sodium, but it is what it is. We need 1/4 cup of soy sauce. That is it. I think I have another one of these in my pantry. Let me go look. As soon as I get about halfway on this, I buy another one because we do a lot of Asian type cooking, We use soy sauce a good bit. There we go. We need a couple of tablespoons of apple cider vinegar, a couple of tablespoons of this hoisin sauce. Look, that's about the end of our hoisin sauce. We need some more. Whew, glad we had enough.
Every time I hear you say hoisin, I think poison for some reason.
Right? It's a little scurry. We need a tablespoon of honey. Where's my honey? It's sticky, ain't
You want
it?
a little gloop of it?
Yeah, just a little gloop. Teamwork makes the dream
That's
work
technical
over here.
right there. Look at that.
Oh, there we go. Okay, this is our sauce that we're gonna add to our skillet. We gotta get that vegetable oil out of there. So we've got our sauce. It's gonna go here into the skillet. We'll use this whisk.
Very inefficient whisk. Either way, it's on that.
I think that's good. All right, let's whisk all of that together. It's already in this hot pan.
You are beautiful. You know that?
No, but thank you.
Let me know.
Thank you.
In case you forgot. So what's that going to do?
It's supposed to just kind of simmer, but
And kind of thicken up a little bit.
yeah, I think it'll thicken up some more when we put these meatballs in there because the meatballs have the cornstarch on it, right?
No, they're already.
It's already
I think
done
the
with it.
cornstarch is just for the
Okay.
crispiness on the outside.
Well,
oh, it's starting to
bubble.
It'll bubble. It'll start thickening up.
Yeah. It says to go ahead and add this in here with them.
All right.
And we'll kind of toss them around. Oh, it's bubbling quick. Let me get something better so I can turn them over in this. From the reviews that I saw several people say that their sauce did not thicken up, and ours is not thickening up. So Stephen is making us a little tiny cornstarch slurry.
There's nothing worse than a wimpy sauce.
I mean, you know.
We don't want it to be wimpy.
All right, let's try that first.
See what happens.
See how it goes. Yep, that's thickening it up.
A bit more.
Okay, that should be good.
I think that's gonna be it.
We're improvising, y'all.
See
There it goes.
That's gonna coat it much better.
Yes, that's the thing we were worried about. Is it was it going to coat?
Right.
We're pretty much done because we had already cooked these meatballs all the way through, and our rice is done back here. So let's eat because you see what time it is.
It's time.
We've got 17 minutes before our premiere. Gotta hurry.
Man, it smells amazing.
It does. So one thing
Oh boy.
we noticed immediately is we should have
Doubled the sauce.
doubled the sauce. I don't know why I was just in following directions mode.
Yeah.
We always double the sauce, and I wish we would have. So
Well,
there's that.
now we know so we can tell them. Oh man, that's my favorite.
Oh,
Oh wow.
really?
Yes, I love those flavors. Garlic, the ginger that's in there. Definitely taste that.
Okay.
And then that sweet hoisin sauce, you know, that's
Yeah.
coated on everything. I'm so glad we added the cornstarch.
Yeah.
It would have been, I think it would have been a fail if we didn't do that.
Yeah, I agree. I don't understand how
Yeah.
you get away with not doing that, but
I don't
you know.
know. But this is really good. And the meatballs are super tender too.
Oh, good.
Got a little bit of texture on the outside, but not super much.
Yeah.
Maybe because we left them in the sauce for too long. If we'd have made the sauce and then maybe poured them over top or something.
I don't know. It said to simmer
But it's
them
not
in there.
like too soggy or not. Like
Okay,
that.
good. Cole is liking it.
Man, that's good.
Well, good. All right, we gotta hurry because it's almost time for the premiere. So I'm gonna take my bite. You gonna film me?
Let's do it.
Okay.
Isn't that delicious?
Dude,
That's amazing, isn't it?
I could eat 10 of those meatballs. We should have doubled the sauce.
Yes.
I'm gonna make it again and double the sauce.
Yeah.
But this might end up in a favorite.
I'm telling you, it's really good.
Yes, it has an Asian flair to it for sure. But I think even if you don't love an Asian flair, you would like this.
Yeah, I think so.
I don't know how to describe it.
It's super good. Big time recommend on this one.
Y'all,
Go through the trouble of doing the frying and everything. It's just
Worth it.
absolutely delicious. Yeah.
worth it. Okay, we're gonna finish up so that we can go in there and chat with y'all in the premiere.
Day 4, challenge accepted, challenge overwhelmingly defeated.
Yeah, for real. Big time.
We did get lucky. We have to admit,
We did.
The wheel was very good to us this time.
And we are grateful because we needed an easier day today.
Yeah, we did.
It worked.
It worked out.
All right, we will see y'all tomorrow for one last day.
We will. We'll see you there.